It has now been confirmed that the body inside here belongs to Mheshimiwa. Proper identification has been done as provided by the law. 2 members of the family have identified the body plus other family members. So the confirmation of the death of the MCA is now certain. 2, there are in total 7 pathologists representing different interests. The government chief pathologist representing the government, Dr. Johannes Edward, is leading the team. 2, the family has sent a pathologist. So that is the second pathologist. 3rd, the hospital AR where the incident either happened partially or where he was pronounced dead. They have sent a pathologist AR facility. 4th, the County Assembly of Nairobi has sent a pathologist who is present. 6th, is it 6th or 5th? 5th, the governor, the county government executive wing of Nairobi County, the governor's office, not the governor, the person, the county government of Nairobi has sent a pathologist. The member of parliament for Embakasi, is it south or north? East, Babu Oweno, has sent 2 pathologists. So in total, we have 7 pathologists, and as we said, anybody who has an interest in this matter is free to come with their pathologists. Alongside the pathologists, there are more than 15 experts from the DCI, from the government analysts, from the forensics part, and the scenes of crime. Equally lastly, the laboratory, there is a representative of a lab that has been sent here to come and take samples. We shall be updating you as the progress goes. I'll hand over to Mr. Mheshimiwa Alai to say something.
I don't have much to say. My name is Robert Alai. I'm the MCA for Kilaleshwa. I'm close friend of the deceased, and also just here with fellow members, honorable members, on behalf of the assembly. The assembly is well represented inside there. We have the lawyers and the pathologists. What was happening there is that we are briefing, to brief the pathologists, the doctors, to know what kind of history the deceased has been living in the recent past, so that at least they can profile the deceased. They know what they might be able to look at and where they can investigate from the food he ate, who he was meeting. I was in the assembly, so that they can be able to profile what to look for during the autopsy. So the briefing has been done. I think the process may take up to 2 hours, or depending on the advice of the pathologist. From then on, we'll be able to know, when the process may take longer because they might get some results they go with, so that they can process in their labs and bring the results later. So today, and as for now, I think that's all.